All right. Hey, Bud. Um, so I know you want to learn how to code with Minecraft, so I'm going to show you how, but there's a few things we need to do for to set up to actually make it work. So uh, let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to show you how to do everything. So just follow step by step, and I'm more than welcome um, to answer questions. So you're going to go to the search and you're going to put CMD and then click it, and that'll bring up the command prompt. So here, put Java, Java, then the little slash right here, then version. And if it doesn't say you have a Java version, that means you need to install it. So let's go ahead and do that. You're going to go to this site right here and download uh, this JDK environment or development kit, okay? I'm gonna add the link to the YouTube video so that you can just click on it. You don't have to type it out. All right, then go to this one, download it, go over here, and then once it's downloaded, double click it, press yes. It's gonna take a little while. All right, press next. Here where it says this right here, you press change and you're just gonna copy it, okay? That's it. Press this, copy it, then press OK, then go next, let it download. It's gonna take a little bit. We're doing it slow, so you don't worry too much. All right, it's all done. So press close. Now, it should all work now, but if not, there's a few other things we need to do. But let's check. All right, go back to the CMD thing, and you're gonna press up on the arrow and see if it downloaded, and then press enter. It didn't, but sometimes it's just because you need to close it out and do it again. So go back to the CMD, press search CMD right here. Then let's put the command again, Java version, and see, Java version 21. It's all working as it should. All right. All right, but so you've downloaded my Java to the JDK. It's working. If it doesn't work like it's supposed to, just let me know. I'll help you. Um, then from there, we're gonna go to Minecraft.net. You already have an account. If not, your parents have an account. Log in. Select the Get Minecraft button. If you don't want to type this up, I'm gonna put the link and all the other 4 links here that you're gonna use, like that. Then you're going to select either this one or that one. And if you don't have it, you're going to get this. And if you do have it, you're going to get Download Launcher. You should have this one. Go to Download Launcher, then download Minecraft, install it. I already know you have it installed, but I'm just showing you how to do it from the get-go. That way you're not too lost. Then from there, you're going to do two things. You're going to download these two. So go to files.minecraftforge.net. You're going to pick 1.19.4, download it, okay? Put it in your downloads, and then you're going to double click it, and then go to mod system installer and put install client, and then press OK. This is going to take a little bit of time, so while that's doing that, go to this website, curseforge.com, go to files right here, and we're going to find this one, the 1.19.4, okay? And we're gonna, and it says Forge right here, okay. So download it, click it, download it. It's gonna take a little bit of time, and then save on your downloads. And then right here, I have that Brave browser, but you should be able to go to your downloads folder and open it up, because you're gonna need this in a little bit, okay? let's go back to the installer. Once it's installed fully, you're going to press OK. You're going to get this message, press OK. Then you're going to go to your Minecraft, launch your Minecraft, let it load. It's going to take a little bit. If you already have Minecraft launched and you do the installation, close out of Minecraft and then launch it again. Then let's go to installations right here, because that's what you're going to need. Click new installation, demo bug, or whatever you want to name it, and then go to version, and we're going to do release 1.19.4 Forge right here. Okay, that is the one you want. Press create right down here, and it should be good. Okay, then go back to play, select the version you want, and we want demo bug right here. Then put play. Yes, it's all good. Then put play. It's gonna take a little bit of time. So once it's loaded, look down here where it says 2 mods loaded. If that's there, that means it's working correctly. Go to mods. Then you're gonna see Minecraft and Forge. What you want to do is click on the mods folder right here. So open it up, and you're gonna want to go to downloads, right click, open a new window, and you're gonna go and select the CC Tweak 1.94, copy it, right, just hold it, and then move it right here, okay? Then close out of these two, then press done, and you're gonna exit out of this. So you're gonna let it reload by going back to Minecraft. Then go back, make sure you're in the right version, installation, then press play. All right, there it is. Gonna take a little bit of time. Right? Go down here where it says 3 mods loaded. That means that, hey, it did work correctly again. You installed the mod. Then we're gonna go here, the mod, and then select this mod right here, and then press done. That means it's installed. All this is all good, all right? Then go to single player. We're gonna create new world. Select world. Just put Forge for now, but you can name it whatever you like. Then create new world. Then name it what you want. Bugs World. We're gonna go to creative mode because we're gonna need that to be able to do our coding. Then select create. Give it a little bit of time. That's it. That's all you need to be able to code in Minecraft. Like on the next few videos, I'll show you how to do the programming, and hopefully you enjoy it. So just follow along. If you have any questions, reach out. All right, bye, bud.